Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to trim a video. Trimming is one of the most important features of editing. It's a critical part in video editing because it can make sure that your video has all the main content and keep your audience interested. If you're a beginner at video editing and want to learn how to trim or cut a video, I have the best solution for you. iMyPhone Filmy is the perfect video editing software for beginners. First, all you need to do is download and launch the program on your computer. Next, import your clips to the program and add them onto the timeline. You can import your clips by file or folder. The first 5 seconds of a video are the most important part because they can determine the engagement of your viewers for the rest of the video. So you need to make sure that the beginning of the video looks attractive to viewers. Click on the clips you want to trim and adjust the length by dragging them. Please note that you can only shorten the duration of a video. However, you can extend the duration of a picture. Adjust your clips to your desired length and replay the video to see if it requires any further changes. Then, export the video to save the changes. Next up, let's look at how to cut a video. You can also trim a video by cutting it. Here are some simple steps of how to cut a video using Filmy. Click on the clip and place the speed bar to the part where you want to cut. And press split to cut it in half. To trim the clip, simply cut the unwanted clip and press delete. Click on the unwanted clips and press delete to get rid of them to complete the trimming procedure. Export your video once you are happy with the outcome. And that's how to trim or cut a video using iMyPhone Filmy. Filmy is the perfect video editor for beginners. You can easily create or perform basic to high-level video editing tasks without any editing skills. Watch these videos to learn more about Filmy, and click the link in the description to get a 1-month free license. That's it for today's video. Please like and tell us what you think. And don't forget to share your videos with us. Make sure to subscribe for more video editing tips. We make videos every week. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.